Hi, I'm Cole Zoller from South Africa, a student, programmer and problem solver, and I want to show you a great new idea. Firstly, did you know that 480 rhino were killed in South Africa in 2011 alone? This is a rapid increase from previous years, and struggling economies and budget cuts are adding fuel to the fire. There were only 650 rangers in a park as large as the Kruger National Park, which is the largest in South Africa. This is a problem. And how do we solve it? Well, what if we get together a bunch of people? We add a few mobile phones and a great new app. But what is this app? It is called AniTrack, and this is how it works. First, let tourists do what they do best. In other words, take pictures. But what if they do that from within the AniTrack application? Then these pictures can be uploaded to the cloud and geotagged. From that point forward, they can be distributed to mobile microworkers. These microworkers confirm the presence of the animal and the type of the animal. This provides extensive tracking data to nature reserves, and this is needed as the first step in the fight against poaching. But how many people are we expected to use it? Well, here's another fact. 1.4 million people visited the Kruger National Park last year. If only 10%, that is as little as 10%, actually use AniTrack, we effectively have 60% more trackers in the Kruger National Park. That is quite a bit. But now what from a business perspective? Well, our customers would include both public and private nature reserves. To them we would provide the cost-effective tool of animal tracking. We would raise awareness of this tool through the vast majority of anti-poaching campaigns. From that point forward, to keep costs down, we would make everything as automated as possible. Our revenue would come from subscriptions from those nature reserves. However, to keep those as cheap as possible, we'd consider additional streams such as advertising from, let's say, private game or safari companies. From then, we would maintain the technical infrastructure and software. The software is deployed to the cloud, and microworkers take it from there. We would partner up with corporate sponsors, wildlife foundations and private safari companies. This is, once again, to keep the costs down from the nature reserve side. In the end, this will provide income for microworkers, potentially creating thousands of jobs. And that is the idea. Thanks for listening.